Hi everyone, Lazy Money UK here, cashing out my first dollar from IP Royal. It arrived on the same day, just a few hours later.
I can't believe it, the system works.
This is a new passive income application which works in the same way as Honeygain, by selling your unused internet bandwidth. It has some advantages and disadvantages compared to Honeygain, which we'll go through today. Bear in mind that the app is not long out of the beta phase, so it may be subject to improvements. The service is called IP Royal Pawns because you are a mere pawn in their plan, and probably also because you sell stuff to them, so it's like a double meaning.
That's clever!
There's really nothing I can do or say to make the app appear exciting. At least Honeygain has some busy bees to make you think it's doing something. The earnings rate is comparable to Honeygain, which seems to be about 1 cent per hour. I earn more overall on Honeygain, however, because they allow 2 devices per IP at the moment, and I can run their phone app overnight. IP Royal are still working on an Android app, but for now they've offered an unofficial solution to get the app running on your phone. Another benefit of Honeygain is it starts up automatically when you turn on your computer, so you won't forget to run it. IP Royal emailed their users with a temporary fix to make it open automatically, which involves placing a shortcut in your computer's startup folder. When it comes to cashing out, IP Royal blows Honeygain out of the water. This is because you can withdraw from $1 instead of $20, and there aren't any ridiculous transaction fees. It's going to take more than a free daily bonus from Honeygain to top this. Whichever app you think is the best, the reality is that you can run them both at the same time for the best results. If you're wanting to sign up and would like to support this channel, I've left my referral links in the description. Remember that Honeygain will credit new users with a $5 starting bonus. Thanks for staying until the end of the video. Let me know which app you prefer in the comments. I'll see you again soon with some more lazy money making tips.